Hey, how's it going, everybody? Just gonna do a quick trading session. Gonna set the timer for about 5 minutes. And here we go. Nothing fancy. Starting out at 16.18, $36 trades. Here's some past trades. And yeah, just gonna kind of freestyle, have some fun. Got it set up on the 8-second timer. For some reason, the 8-second timer works really good. I'm not pro or anything by far, but it's been pretty lucky so far. For the past few days, I've been doing it. Ooh, oh, that hurts. Got crushed. The market's a funny, funny thing. It's funny, it's like it's designed sometimes almost so that when it appears, when it looks like it's going to turn around, that's when it actually keeps on going, or vice versa. It's like here, it looks like it's going to turn around. And it did, but it took a second. But I guess that's just a 5-second chart, see? So where's it going? Looks like it's going up, so it's probably going down. Of course. And then when it looks like it's going down, then it looks like it's going up. Then other times, like here, it's actually going up. It's pretty funny. It's like, why you do like this? Why is the algorithm designed in such a way? So here we went from a fat losing streak to a decent winning streak. Try another chart. For some reason, I like doing smaller what's the word? More trades that are smaller. Yeah, for some reason it seems kind of just, I don't know. Maybe you could space them out too if you want. But I kind of like just experiment with just throwing them one after the other. Let's get another couple wins there. We got 40 seconds left on the clock. Down you go. Oh, greasy. Which way is it going? Looks like it's going up, so it's going down. Are you gonna play that game? 1 second left. So we did way too many trades. We did all these $36 trades here. I'll count from this way. So this span here, that's 13. So we got 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. We did 26 trades. That's a lot, eh? 26 trades. It's going to be right around break even because I think we're at like the same dollar amount. So count the wins: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12. What did we say it was? 12? 12. So we're just under break even, 46%, but right? Which is funny because I thought we started, it must have been right around 15. Anyhow, there we go. Session's over, guys. Thanks for watching. And I'm sure if we spent a little bit more finesse on trading session, we would have did a lot better. So let's get next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Cheers.